Привет, друзья! Welcome back to the Simple Russian Stories. It's our fourth lesson, and today we will learn some of the most important Russian letters. Also, we will practice pronunciation of more complex sounds and continue reading new words. So stay with me. Let's get started. Lessons. Listen and find the letter V. В. Е. Е. Т. Т. С. С. Р. Р. И. И. Ф. Ф. Э. Э. Г. Г. З. З. Д. Д. А. А. У. У. Х. Х. Okay, and let's meet our today's strange friends. First letter Yo. Yo. Two sounds. Y, O. Yo. Next one Y. Y. It's like yot sound. Y. Next one J. J. I think that for most of you guys, it's unfamiliar sound, so let me explain how to pronounce it. Let's start from Z. Z sound. Say Z, 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 Z. And pay your attention on your tone. Z, Z, Z. Your tone near your front teeth. Z, Z, Z. And to pronounce J, move your tone toward the middle of your mouth, like this. Z, z. Try it. And also pay your attention on my mouth. When I say Z, Z, my mouth is wide. But when I say J, 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 my lips, they're like the circle. J, J sound. Okay, next one. It's also tricky one. I'm so sorry. Ts. Ts. Ts sound consists of T and S. T, S. So, to say Ts, let's say these two sounds together, one by one. T, S, T, S, T, S, T, S. And now a little bit faster. T, S, T, S, T, S, T, S, T, 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 T. That's it. It's T. Next one, Ch. Ch. For English speakers, this sound is familiar. It's like CH, like in the word church. Ch. Ch. And the last one, Ya. Y, A, Ya. Y, A, Ya. Repeat after me. Yo. Yo. Y. Y. J. J. Ц. Ц. Ч. Ч. Я. Я. And now I show you the letter, you say the sound. Let's start from the easiest one. Я. Йо. Ч. Й. Lips like the circle. Ж. Ж. And ц. Ц. Т. С. Ц. Okay, guys, so if you need some extra practice, just rewatch this part of the video and we are going to read the syllables. Жо. Жо. Жа. Жа. Же. Же. Цо. Цо. Ца. Ца. Це. Це. Чо. Чо. Ча. Ча. Че. Че. Яй. Яй. Ей. Ей. Йой. Йой. Now I show you the syllable, you read it. Це. Че. Ей. Же. Ж. Же. Жо. Цо. Чо. Яй. Ча. Ца. Жа. Ёж. Ёж. Чай. Чай. Мяч. Мяч. Мёд. Мёд. Яма. Яма. Це. На. Цена. Жаба. Жаба. Череп. Череп. Цапля. Цапля. Яблоко. Яблоко. Жвачка. Жвачка. Число. Число. Очки. Очки. So guys, you are doing so well. And I have one more thing for you. Let's practice some Russian questions. Can you read this word? Ч, Т, О. Что? But usually we pronounce ch, t like sh sound. So it's что. Что? It's what. And this word? К, Т, О. Кто? Кто means who. Что? Кто? And now we can build a question. What is it and who is it? What is it? Что это? Что это? And who is it? Кто это? Кто это? Do you remember this word? Кот. Кто это? Это кот. What about this word? Дом. Что это? Это дом. Okay, yeah, you're right. And now let's try to sort these words for что это and кто это. Ма. Мама. Кто это? Собака. Собака. Also, кто это? Собака. What about this one? С-т-у-л. Стул. Что это? Стул. Сестра. Сестра. Кто это? What about this long word? Палатка. Палатка. Что это? Okay, that's all for today. See you on the last lesson. Пока-пока. Увидимся.